Don, what you're looking at here is perhaps the most popular method of outboard flushing.
Who we again have on the program is David Meeler, and David is a Yamaha Master Tech. He's also the product information manager for Yamaha Marine. And David, you teach people that own outboard engines different maintenance tips and requirements. Okay, which topic are we really going to zero in on today?
Perhaps the most important topic, freshwater flushing your engine. After every use, run fresh water through your engine for about 10 to 15 minutes.
There are 3 different ways to flush a current outboard engine today. What's the first one, David?
The first one is to just use the built-in device that's on the engine. Screw the hose into it, turn the water pressure on, and let the water pressure actually circulate through the engine.
And you do this without running the motor.
That's
at
correct.
All,
You
okay?
don't
You're
need
just
to
running
start
the
the engine.
But when you do run the motor, before you start it, there's a different method, and I'm familiar with this. I call these ear muffs, or flush muffs, if you will, where you slide them over the lower unit to the water pickups on the motor. You have a garden hose, you turn on the water, and then you do start the engine. And again, you run that for about 10 to 15 minutes. That opens up the thermostat. But this third method, this is off the charts cool. What in the world are we looking at here?
The third method is known as the bag method, and it's simply inflating a bag underneath the outboard with water and allowing it to run in its natural condition.
Okay, so it's a really good simulation. I'm thinking I got to get one of those, but you've got a lot of information for people at home. You have a wonderful resource. How do we get people to your website?
You know, you can go to YamahaOutboards.com and click on Owner Resources, and you'll find Maintenance Matters. And another thing to do is buddy up to your Yamaha dealer for a lot of extra tips.
Okay, he hit the nail on the head, guys. Maintenance truly does matter, so get out there and do it for yourself.